Get ready for graduation with Wolfie. Walking through the ceremony. When you approach the stage, hand your card to the announcer and confirm your name.
Williams.
Once your name is announced, walk to the board member for your diploma. Shake hands and pose for the photographer. Continue across the stage to the president. Shake hands and pose for the photographer. Exit the stage and stop at the Madison College backdrop for one more photo. Now, let's walk with Wolfie. Hand your card to the announcer and confirm your name.
Associate degree, school spirit. Wolfie.
Once your name is announced, walk to the board member for your diploma. Shake hands and pose for the photographer. Continue across the stage to the president. Shake hands and pose for the photographer. Exit the stage and pose for one more photo at the backdrop. You did it! After the ceremony, celebrate with your family and friends.